What is good? I am back again with gold camo. So this is gonna be my first gold camo locked, and we're gonna start off with a double cal fault, and FMJ and fast mags. Now I actually unlocked this 20 days ago, but I wasn't able to upload because my storage. But you know what? Without further ado, we're just gonna hop in to a custom game. Not custom game, a regular game. See how it works. I might be a little rusty, but let's just get to it.
Burn. One.
Oh man, my aim was off.
We have the advantage.
Spotted.
Yeah, I am rusty. Oh.
Alright, you do your thing.
Deploy counter UAV. Drop it neutralized.
No. My brain doesn't think when I'm recording.
Fire break requesting UAV support.
UAV perimeter established.
They're gone.
Hostiles have destroyed your UAV.
That's great. I don't know what I'm doing, bro.
We're all over them. Take the win.
I don't know why he would play it.
Firing for effect.
Incoming Molotov.
No, I had to reload. Man, I had to reload.
Entanglement set.
Bro, I am rusty with this aim. Oh my god.
Building barricade. Another day, another dollar.
Burn.
Man, I hate when I get trapped in a corner.
We're taking control.
Yeah, my aim is real rusty.
We're losing the
Let's fix this up real quick. It's a little better.
Taking the lead.
Smoked.
I'm still off with this. Oh damn. GG's.
Taco, strike team are clear to deploy.
Why would you try JP?
Deploying barricade.
Oh.
Ready to irradiate.
Yeah, for some reason since the morning I couldn't get full streaks. Only the morning today when I get full streaks. See if I can get a reactive core here.
Eyes on the prize. You got this.
You're finally.
And my purifier is off today.
Hostile UAV circling.
Enemy down.
Operation complete. Nice.